Peter Obi arrives the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal today, 8 May. Welcome to ANT Nigeria News. We will bring you information and news. Please like, share, subscribe as we give you the full details of today. What is happening inside the courtroom right now as Peter Obi arrives? The presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, has arrived at the courtroom for the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal in Abuja. Obi will go head-to-head with his counterpart Atiku Abubakar of the People Democratic Party (PDP), who has also filed a petition against the INEC and the presidential-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu. As observed by the legit correspondent present at the tribunal, it was confirmed that the courtroom was filled with capacity with legal luminaries and observers. Sources have confirmed that the opening day of the tribunal will entertain the presentation of witness and admitting of documents. Similarly, a timetable scheduling the time and day for proceeding would also be drafted as part of the pre-trial activities for the day. Following the 2023 Presidential Election Tribunal pre-hearing that is scheduled to hold at the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja today, pictures showing the moment 2023 presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, and the speaker persons of the opposition parties' Presidential Campaign Council, Kenneth Okonkwo, graced such event. Recall that the Presidential Election Tribunal has few weeks ago announced that the court will be holding its first session of the case filed by Peter Obi against the president-elect Bola Ahmed Tinubu, his hearing mate Kasim Shettima, and the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC). And so following such pre-hearing at the election tribunal, picture of the former Anambra State Governor Peter Obi meeting with his legal team have been uploaded on the microblogging. Source also revealed that today's proceeding will be more like a pre-hearing, with the main hearing still subject to the conclusion of the timetable that will be drafted by the court, indicating the days and time of the tribunal session at the Federal Court of Appeal. Petitions between the tribunal from the appellant have called for a fresh election and another seeking the nullification president-elect election. Obi and his party are challenging the declaration of Bola Tinubu of All the Progressive Congress (APC) as winner of the presidential election that held on February 25th, insisting that he was the clear winner of the election. Obi is, among other things, seeking the withdrawal of the certificate of return that was issued to Tinubu. He insisted that Tinubu was ambition not qualified to contest the election in view of his previous endorsement and forfeiture of funds in a drug-related case in the United States of America. Obi equally argued that Tinubu was not duly elected with majority of valid votes cast at the election, insisting that he failed to win the Federal Capital Territory (FCT) as required by the Constitution. Meanwhile, identities of 5 members panel of Justice of the Court of Appeal that will hear and determine all petitions against Tinubu has been revealed. This is what is going on right now inside the courtroom in Abuja. All obedient, please, if you want a better Nigeria, pray for Peter Obi as this court has commenced. This is just the beginning of it, or this is just to know what happened, and they will fix date for other court days for us to go and sit in the court and collect our mandate. Please pray for Peter Obi and pray for every obedient. We don't need any distraction right now. We just need to focus on this court so that we'll claim our mandate back. So leave your thoughts, what you think. Thank you all for watching. See you all in our next video and remain blessed.